We'll use 3 strands of red floss for this stitch. Start by bringing your needle up through the fabric at your starting point. Then move a short distance forward and take the needle down to make your first stitch. Now bring the needle back up a little ahead of the first stitch and insert it down at the end of the previous one, connecting the stitches. Repeat this process. Bring the needle up a short distance forward, then insert it down at the end of the previous stitch. This creates a clean and continuous line. A small tip to remember here is when you are stitching along curves or edges, keep the stitches short and even. Longer stitches on edges can make the line look uneven or jagged. Consistency in spacing makes the back stitch look neater and more polished. So this stitch works best for outlines, and you can do lettering using back stitch, and it's one of the simplest and most versatile stitches. So once you are done with the back stitch, you can finish it off just like the other stitches. So I'm just continuing to do the same process again and again till I reach the end. So once I'm done, you can like I said, follow the process. Slide the needle under a few threads at the back, then form a small loop, then bring the needle through the loop and gently pull to make a knot. So now a knot is made. Then trim off the excess floss, and that's it.